I've got a great blog if you go looking on my website for tea, anti-inflammatory tea, and that has the cinnamon for the spleen, it has the lemon for the lung, it has the ginger, the pungency of the ginger also for the lung and the spleen. All sorts of ingredients in there. So go and have a look for the anti-inflammatory tea on my blog. And in my books, I think a recipe that would really suit you is the beetroot marmalade. Beetroot is really good. It helps the body produce nitrous oxide. And this in the body helps the blood vessels and those very small capillaries open up. So you can get my books and learn how to make the beetroot marmalade. Really super simple, a little tangy, a little sweet, or just simply grate it and use it sprinkled on your eggs and the avocado in the morning. It's going to be really good for helping those small capillaries open and letting the blood flow.